I greatly appreciate the opportunity to offer these types of resources to our community with the wonderful resources of the specialists that we have that work with us on these forums.
That's great. And to have that type of personal alignment, I am sure that helps you to drive and build resources like this great resource that we're about to discuss, Critical Conversations, a cancer learning series. Tell us a little bit about that, Pam. How did this Critical Conversations come about?
Sure. Prior to the pandemic, we were doing in-person forums, which were very successful. The pandemic, as with many of us, led us to shift, and we went to an online virtual forum. With the goal of the series is to provide relevant cancer information to the public, to provide an accessible resource library, and perhaps most importantly, to provide a community of support to cancer patients and their families.
Great. That's really good. I have had the pleasure of being a part of your past critical conversations. We've talked about things like lung cancer screening, clinical trials through the patient's lens, and also proton therapy for cancer patients. Now we have an upcoming critical conversations that I am excited about. Caregiver support with Dr. Sherry Comer on April 20th. During that conversation, we will highlight the role of the caregiver, the emotional roller coaster of being a caregiver, and ways in which you can cope with the stress of being a caregiver. We would love for you to join us on April 20th. Please register at www.oncofdn.org.